Hey, child, and I know this man. That's the craziest part. Oh, train coming. I gotta go, y'all. It's Friday. Yeah, 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 yeah. I just got off of work. And as you can see, snow is still everywhere. I am headed to the laundromat. So yeah, I got my laundry on my back. Right there. I'm just gonna do one load. Just so the loads that I have to do tomorrow is a lot less. That way I think I only have to do like 3 loads tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna knock this out the way. It seems like it's mad late, but it's really just like, I don't even think it's 6 o'clock yet. So streets are still packed. Snow is still everywhere. I'll check in with you guys when I pull up on the laundromat and just show you guys my process. Cause doing laundry in New York is like 10 times harder than doing it anywhere else. But I'm used to it at this point. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Hopefully nobody is in the fucking laundromat today, B. Is the bitch open? All right, the bitch is open. Yes, it's empty. Haha. Thank you. Whew. Lucky me. Nobody's in this bitch. This laundromat is the fact that you don't use any coins. I'm gonna check my balance. $8.75. How much is the big one? Big one's $9. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna add like $10 on this whole. All right, got the big washer going. $9. Push to start. We need more. Just started. It only took like an hour, a little over an hour, like an hour 30 minutes. I'm finished now. Did one load, so I knocked something out the way. Now I'm about to stop by one of my fave corner stores and get me some type of like nice fruit juice to go with my Prosecco. And I low-key think I'm gonna film tonight, so that's what I'll be doing. This is like my favorite corner store. It's like the little more expensive one than the other one that I usually go to. It's just got paid yesterday, so I got a little money, honey. Welcome to Club Wavy Spice. Bottle girls in this bit. Nah, y'all, I'm just playing. So this is my dirty Santa gift that somebody at work got me. I also got me something to go with it, child, because we're about to have mimosas right now. Wavy Spice Cave turning up. Hey, hey, hey. We got the fresh juice. We got the fresh orange and mango juice that I paid $8 for. And we gonna crack this puppy open. Club Wavy Spice, 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 Spice. All right, y'all. That ain't my man, but that's my man, though, so watch your hand. Oh. All right. Got that part off. And we're gonna pop the top. Here it is. Here it comes. Ooh. Hey, that ain't my man, but that's my man, though, so watch your hand. Oh. All right, y'all. We're gonna pour up. My glass looks so ashy. But we're gonna pour this up, chill. And I wonder what this tastes like. It's a Prosecco. Smells terrible. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually not bad. I'll mix it up with this juice. We need the juice to champagnon ratio to be looking real funny. Boom. That's all we need right there. Boom. Mimosa. Club Wavy Spice. Salud, salud. Hey. Okay, use a little more juice. I added just a little bit more juice, and now it's perfect. Yes, perfect. So I think I'm gonna film tonight. I'm on here looking bald-headed, child. My hair is funky. I think it's because the grease I used to do my hair this week. Yeah, my hair is smelly. I really need to wash this shit. I'll probably wash it tomorrow. I'm gonna film tonight, and we've been slacking on Vlogmas, child. Like, I've been vlogging every day, but it's been the upload part that's been fucking up for me. So yeah. Whew. All right, y'all. I'm gonna come back to it later. Hey, y'all. So it's the next day. And I got super lit last night. Had a long ass conversation with my mom. And I found out that my dog is dying. Or she's like going through it with like health issues. So yeah, that was kind of sad. And I was drunk at the time, so it wasn't like, well, hitting so hard. It was hitting a little hard today. Yeah, I've told like a few friends and stuff, so it's kind of hit a little hard. Like, if you know me, you know my dog is my like homie. Like, I was actually gonna bring her to New York, and I'm really glad that like I had the whole issue with my roommates and like they didn't want her here, because if she had been here, she probably would be dead or like on her way to being dead. Or so yeah, that was low-key a blessing in disguise. I did want to show you guys what I got at Bath and Body Works yesterday. I had to go there for my Dirty Santa gift. They had this deal going on that if you spent $30, you could get this gift box set for $35. And I actually, like, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go here and get the Dirty Santa gift, and I really just want to get a champagne toast candle. So this gift set has all champagne toast stuff in it. And you got this for $35. Let me show you how much y'all get for $35. Okay. So you got the lotion, the body wash, a spray. You know, this is basic, you know. Of course this came in the set. Like, you also got a hand cream. Boom. A soap. Boom. A one-wick candle. And the best part, a 3-wick candle. I got all this stuff for $35. Can y'all believe it? And champagne toast. Oh, champagne toast is like my all-time favorite fragrance, or one of my favorite fragrances. And champagne toast smells like bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine, and essential oils. And this candle itself costs $24, $24.50. The one with candle costs $14.50, so that's already over $35. This is $6.50, $13.50, $13.50, $15.50, and $7.50. So can't beat it. So this did make me happy. You know, I got something for myself. I also ended up getting the room spray, this as well, Forever Red lotion. So yeah, that's a little bit of stuff that I got from Bath and Body Works. It made me really happy. So I'm gonna like clean up my room a bit And yeah, I guess I'm gonna go to the city soon. I kind of want to just lay back down, but I'm gonna go to the city soon because it gets dark like extremely too fast. So I want to get out while it's still light. So I went to this corner store and I got me some brekkie. I got something different today, which I haven't tried this one. I usually get the detox, which has like blueberries and stuff. This one has mango, strawberry, spinach, something else, and then I got a McMuffin. I got my sandwich on a English muffin today, so something a little different. Y'all, I've been a bad vlogger. I literally hate these big ass puddles, y'all. This shit is some ass, bro. This snow shit was cute until it became all this motherfucking puddles of sludge. Like, ugh, it's so nasty. Literally. But yeah, y'all, I'm over here about to do some Christmas shopping. It's a fucking terrible day. It's terrible because it's raining and cold. It was literally doing like snow flurries earlier. But I don't think it's supposed to rain anymore, so I'm gonna do some shopping. I didn't do what I was supposed to do yesterday. I didn't do laundry. I got the bad news about Lulu. Well, the bad news about Lulu really sunk in. Yesterday, so yeah. I'll just come to you guys later. So I just got off of the train. I've never been to this part of Brooklyn. This is like the fucking hipster ass part of Brooklyn or some shit. Like, I don't know where the fuck I met y'all, but this part of Brooklyn, this is different. This is giving way more different than Bed-Stuy. I'm gonna just put that out there. But yeah, hopefully I can find some type of apothecary around here. It's giving very much apothecaries around here, so I'm gonna check in with you guys, show you around this area. It's so different from mine. So many white people. I've never seen so many. So yeah. Like, it low-key looks like where I live, but like, there's just so many of them. Okay, I see one of me. This mad white people over here, y'all. And it's really throwing me off. So after that trip, in conclusions, books are expensive as fuck. You know, but I feel like the people in my life will really enjoy the books that I got them, so I don't really care. And you know, I got a little bread this year. Not too many years that a bitch got bread at Christmas. But this part of Brooklyn is fucking, it's a hell no for me. I could never live over here. There's so many fucking white people. Like, motherfuckers did not move to New York to be the only black person on the street. So, this part, I could never live here. But yeah, y'all, I'm checking later. I'm trying to go to the mall or some shit. Even though I already spent $100, but still. Alright guys, so I'm in the mall. I got me some Starbies and I'm waiting in a very long Sephora line because I have Sephora gift cards I still haven't used for my birthday. $80, so I'm gonna buy me some new stuff because I think it'll make me feel happy since I had a kind of depressed day yesterday. This will cheer me up. This is the line for Sephora. Pretty long, but it should go significantly quick, hopefully. Alright, so what's good, y'all? I just kind of wanted to end out this vlog, show you guys a little bit of what I got at my Christmas shopping. So I started off with the stuff that I just got for myself. I finally used my Sephora gift cards, and I got some really like staple items that I needed. Excuse me. I only ended up spending like $25 because I had gift cards. I had like $80 in gift cards. So first thing I got is a Sephora Favorites. Oh, I didn't realize it was called Best of Vanilla. So no wonder why they're vanilla smelling. But it's a perfume, and it's one of those ones where like you can get, like with this one you get a free travel size or rollerball perfume. Well, you get one, you pick one out of the ones that you like the best. I also got some Urban Decay All Nighter spray because I've been needing another setting spray. I got the new Fenty lip gloss, which I hope I really like. I ended up picking them off because I'm going to do a video with this stuff, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. But yeah, this is cute. I think it's going to be really pretty. I also got a new Fenty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. So I think this is going to be really pretty too. I'm excited about this. I got the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And then I got 2 testers, or like little freebies that they was giving. Briogeo Blow Dry Cream, and also this thing from Tatcha that's like an eye cream. If anybody is watching, like my mom or my aunt, cut the video off right now because I'm about to show some things that I got you guys for Christmas. Well, the first thing is for my dog. I got her a toy. And then one of the books that my mom wanted wasn't in stock, so I just got it ordered to her house. That's gonna come after Christmas. And then I got her this Barack Obama book. And I got my Aunt Cheryl 2 books. This book called Man on the Run. She's into like urban fiction. And I also got this book called Thugs and the Women Who Love Them. So hopefully she likes these. Hopefully she likes these. I'm sure she'll be able to read this very quickly. Both of these, actually. This one at least has smaller text. But yeah, I also got a new piece of like decor. Okay, so first things first, I got this new runner that's from Amazon. I also got a shelf to go up here, which is super cute in my opinion. I don't know what I'm gonna put on here. I think I'm gonna put some like my books on there. And yeah, I got this from Marshall's. This is from Amazon. I also ended up getting my new lights from Amazon, which are like some LED lights. Yeah, so I'm gonna put those around there eventually, but child, who knows when that's gonna happen. But I'm almost ready to do my room tour. Like, I almost have my room to like where I want it, so that's super exciting. But yeah, guys, I think this is kind of it for this vlog, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.